Welcome! Today we're going to show you how to get started on the platform. First, head over to the top right corner and click on Sign Up to begin your journey. For a quick and easy start, regular users can simply fill out the register form. Want to save time? You can also sign in instantly using your Google account. Now, if you're here to grow your business and showcase your products, click on Become a Supplier. Fill in the required business details, hit register, and you're ready to reach global buyers. Welcome to your dashboard. This is your command center. From the store dashboard settings, you can easily update or change your business information at any time. Track everything in one place. Access orders you've placed, view RFQs you've sent to others, and manage all your conversations through the integrated chat system to keep your deals moving. Keep an eye on this progress bar. It shows how complete your profile is. Ready to sell? Use your toolkit to add or manage your products. You can also check and process incoming orders from your customers right here. Plus, you can answer specific customer questions about your products to build trust and close more sales.